Hello, Heartbreaker. Elisa here, and welcome to HEARTCORE at Home. In today's class, we are doing a hypertrophy class. So we're going to be starting off in the back of the machine, doing a hamstring leg curl, warming up the lower body. Then we're going to head to the front, do some bungee kicks, pre-activate the glutes. Then we're going to jump into skating. We're going to be doing some double times. So just know that you're going to be super sore from this class. So we're going to be starting off in one light spring. And I also suggest having a yoga mat off the back platform to support you in the hamstring leg curl that we're going to be starting off with. Let's get started. All right, Heartbreakers, so make sure that you are on one white light spring. Put your toes under the strap of the carriage. We're facing the front of the machine. I want you to bring your head and your shoulders like away from the back platform. You're going to be thrusting your hips up. You're going to thrust your hips up right here, and you're going to extend your legs out and drive your heels right back in for the hamstring leg curl. Out and in, trying your best to keep your hips up, resisting that tension, extending your legs out, dragging your heels back in. Try your best to keep your toes down. If your toes rise up, your calves will be really sore tomorrow. Ooh, we need to take a break there. Wow, this is so intense. Make sure to keep your hips up. I need to take another break. I have about 30 seconds left here. Final 10 seconds. It's so challenging. All right, so now we're getting to hip thrust. So stabilize your carriage and just bring your hips down. Squeeze your butt at the top. Press your heels away. Inhale down. Press those, squeeze up. So it's like glute bridges. We're just warming up the back of the body, getting ready for the rest of the class. I'm going to back up a little bit more, actually. Down, up. Squeezing. Hold to the top. Last couple seconds. Okay, let it go. Okay, so now rising up, I want you to pull your carriage back in. We're gonna do a giant wheelbarrow. So let's bring the knees on the back platform. You're gonna be gripping the hands at the edge of the carriage right here, sides of the carriage. Kneeling push-up position, squeeze your glutes. Inhale out. Use your lats, your triceps, your rear shoulders to pull the carriage right back in. When your shoulders and your wrists align, that's when you wanna stop and fight the negative tension right back out. Squeezing the booty. When you do that, your lower abs activate as well. But this is a core and upper body exercise right here in this giant wheelbarrow. Halfway through. You want to feel tension in your armpit muscles. You need to feel tension in your obliques. Every time I suck the carriage in, I love to exhale and squeeze my pelvic floor muscles. And remember, the farther you send the carriage out, the more muscle fibers you activate. Final 10 seconds. Okay, so now we're gonna take it to a kneeling crunch. I'm gonna drop your forearms here, and you're gonna be rounding your spine, scooping your tailbone, tucking chin to chest, and resisting the tension right back out. This is warming up your abdominal wall. It's kind of like a cat-cow here. So really feel like your abs slowing down the carriage as you send the carriage out, and feel your abs sucking the carriage in as you round in. Last couple seconds. Okay, next up is giant plank to pike. Modification will be on the knees. So you're gonna come out into a plank right here. Flex your feet, pike up your hips. Neutral spine. Make sure your shoulders stay on top of your elbows the whole time, okay? Press your forearms away. Feel your abs slowing down the carriage, fighting the negative tension. Let's do one more rep. Okay, now let's jump into our last core warm-up exercise. We're getting to giant bear. All right, so you're gonna be in the quadruped position. Just bend your knees in. Feel your deep abs slowing down the carriage. And then feel your core sucking the carriage right back in. Protracting your scapula, pressing your palms away, activating your palms. Back in tabletop. This is such an upper body exercise. Lats, rotator cuffs, triceps. Last 10 seconds. Okay, so we finished our warm up. Now we're gonna take it to bungee kicks. So come to the front of your machine and you're gonna put the bungee cord on your left foot. Okay, so bungee cord on your left foot, middle of the left foot. We're doing some booty activation. So when we get into skating, you're really gonna be tearing your muscle fibers. So let's come out, make an L shape with your left leg, and you're gonna kick it up and resist the tension right back down. So do your best to make an L shape up, resist down. 1 up, 2, and resist down. So again, your core is helping power your left leg, okay? Make sure your left foot is flexed. All 4 corners of your left foot come up to the ceiling, and resist it right back down. Pressing your forearms away from the carriage. Your lats are supporting you. And make sure your right hip and right knee are aligned with each other. Fight the resistance down and kick up. Fight the resistance down, kick up. You're engaging your pelvic floor muscles every time you exhale. Your core is activated just as much as you would be in a plank hold, okay? Final 10 seconds.